What's up everyone, it's me Amir, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna learn how to create retro text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's dive into it. First of all, I wanna click rectangle tool, left click on it, make the size 1920 by 1080. Change the fill color with a dropper tool, and then let's activate the smart guide. Move it to the center. After that, create new layer for the background. Move it to the inside of it, slide it to the bottom, and lock the background. The next step is, let's create new layer for the text. And then, I wanna type in hola right here. Change the font to exist, and then change the font size into 500. Move it to the right here, and make sure it's aligned to the center. Disable the fill color for it. And then I want to adding stroke 4 times and adding fill 1 time. Move this unfill right here and this right here. After that, I want to unvisible some of it. And change this stroke to the white. Make the stroke 10. And this one 10. Adding the transform effect 0,5 and this is 2. Make copy 40 and hit OK. The next thing we're gonna do, change this color to gray. And fill this one to light. Make this visible and then click this icon library, patterns, basic graphic lines, and choose this one. Reduce opacity to 80%. Make this one visible and then change the stroke size to 10. Click this icon, applying transform effect. Make this horizontal 0,5 and this one 2. Make copy to 80 and hit OK. Once you've done that, make this stroke to 10. And applying transform effect. Make copy to 120. And then reduce opacity to 25%. And this is it. We're finished it. Thanks for all of you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment so we can learn and grow it out together. Keep adding your creativity into your daily life. Bye.